Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine. The title of the book is Progressive English Unit 3, London. Today our topic is Burning of St. Paul's Cathedral. Open your book on page number 60. The burning of St. Paul's Cathedral. Cathedral mean गिरजाघर. St. Paul के गिरजाघर को जलाना. Before the fire, the Cathedral of St. Paul's dominated London, rising clear above other buildings. As it stood apart from other houses, the people believed it would be safe from the fire. After the fire, it was rebuilt. Rebuilt mean दोबारा बनाना by Sir Christopher Wren and once again became one of London's most distinctive landmarks. Distinctive mean नुमाया, खसूसी, खास, landmarks, तारीखी निशान. Now come on next page, page number 61. St. Paul's Cathedral, the highest, greatest, most conspicuous mean vaze building of all London, stood unharmed whilst the fire raged mean mushtail tash about it. The booksellers moved their stocks into the crypt mean ghar, all labelled ready to be collected when the fire had died down. A fire could not possibly go underground, they thought, so their livelihood mean necessity of life of many London booksellers would be saved. Livelihood means students the means of securing the necessity of life. ज़रूरियात ज़िंदगी बसर औकात. Now come on next paragraph. But that evening, flames mean shole, broke out on the cathedral roof. Live brand carried overhead by the wind had brought the fire of St. Paul's. The flames were so intense. Intense mean very great or extreme in strength or degree. Intense. That a young scholar 1 mile away was able to read his book by the light of its flames. The cathedral became a roaring. Roaring mean धमाका खेज आवाज़, बहुत तेज़ आवाज़, roaring. Cauldron mean students very large round metal pot used for cooking. Mean Urdu means you can say deek of fire. An eyewitness described the molten lead running down like snow before the sun and massive stones crashing onto the pavement with the force of an explosion. Explosion mean dhamaka. Witness means students, a person who saw the crime or anything that is happening. Molten mean heated to very high. Molten mean heated to very high. Pavement mean the word pavement mean path with hard surface. Path with hard surface. Now come on last paragraph. Pieces of stones weighting up to 100 pounds were hurled considerable distance. The lead ran out into the streets like a stream. Norman and the pavement glowed with a fiery redness so that neither horse nor man could tread on them. Even the gigantic means students बहुत बड़ा, gigantic bells melted and pieces from the falling roof broke upon tombs and their lead coffins. Coffins mean student boxes. Coffins mean boxes that used to buried dead people's coffins. St. Paul's continued burning night and day. The books carefully sealed underground in the cathedral crypt were also burned and continued to smolder for a week. Here is vocabulary you have to do, and here are also some fill in the blanks you have to do. First one is because Roxana was so much taller than all her classmates, she always felt dominated Next one is after the big American pizza parlors opened up in town, many street food vendors lost their livelihoods. Next, burning live brands from the exploding building set fire the neighboring houses. Fourth one, fill in the blanks. You have to write cauldron, and fifth one gigantic, and last one is hurled. You have to write here hurled. Here are some question answer. You have to do these questions. First question is, why were the booksellers so sure that their stocks of books would be safe in the crypt of St. Paul's? Answer is, they were sure because a fire could not possibly go underground. They thought so the livelihoods of many London booksellers would be safe. Next question, how did St. Paul's catch fire? Answer is, when a burning ember landed in a gap in the roof, causing fire to spread to the sporting timbers inside. Next, what illustration does the writer give of the brightness of the flame? Answer is, the flames were so intense that a young scholar 1 mile away was able to read his book by the light of its flame. Next question, what happened to the lead from the roof of St. Paul's? Answer is, flames broke out on the cathedral roof. Live brands carried overhead by the wind had brought the fire to St. Paul's. Now note down your homework, students. You have to read page number 60 and 61 2 and 3 times, and also you have to learn the meaning of the difficult words, and also you have to learn question answer. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.